Easy English, mastering short answers in the simple future tense. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting topic in English language learning: short answers in the simple future tense of regular verbs. Remember, understanding this concept will not only help you to speak English fluently but also make your English sound more natural. So, let's get started. The simple future tense is used to express an action that will occur or a state that will be in the future. Regular verbs follow a specific pattern when we form this tense. Let's use the verb work as an example. In the future tense, we say, I will work. Simple, right? Short answers are concise responses we use in English to avoid repeating the whole sentences. They usually consist of a subject pronoun and an auxiliary verb. Let's look at an example. If I ask you, will you work tomorrow? You could answer, yes, I will, or no, I won't. That's a short answer. To form short answers in the simple future tense with regular verbs, you need to remember a simple formula. Subject pronoun plus will, won't. Here's how it works. Question: will you visit your grandparents? Short answer: yes, I will. No, I won't. Note that for positive answers we use will, and for negative answers we use won't, the contraction of will not. Sometimes learners might mix up will with would, or can with could in their responses. Remember, when the question is in the simple future tense, the short answer should also be in the simple future tense. Correct: will you visit your grandparents? Yes, I will. Incorrect: will you visit your grandparents? Yes, I would. And that's a wrap. We've now covered how to use short answers in the simple future tense with regular verbs. This will surely boost your English fluency and comprehension. Remember to keep practicing. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. See you in our next lesson.